Hi guys!
Hi guys!
So today we gonna unbox our Shein order. Okay Ragnar, are you gonna join me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. You have some things here Ragnar as well.
Yeah.
The thing with Shein is they have a lot of plastic. Cellophane. Oh no. It's a bit difficult to open. I don't have scissors, but here. It's a lot. This is mostly for winter. And since I don't have a lot of winter clothes and here in Sweden, it's gonna be very cold in the winter.
Look.
So that's why we buy some winter clothes from Shein.
Look.
Because it's cheap in Shein.
Look.
Look. Oh yeah, this is the one. Look, babe. This is like leggings, like to make myself warm. It's 3-in-1. So there is this like whitish, black,
Hello.
and gray.
And here we go.
Next one, next one, next one. What's more? Let's see, Ragnar. Let's see what is this. This is like a winter dress. Okay, nice. Nice. I think it's fit good. This one. Oh, this one I like. It's only like €3, €4, €5 price. It's very cheap. Look. It's nice, right? With some ribbon. It's like Street Fighter something, you know, Chinese, with Chinese thing. Yeah. I don't want to fit it, but I think the size is good. Next one, next one. The problem with Shein is they use a lot of plastic, so it's not good for the nature. Oh, another like sleeveless, but for winter as well, like this, guys. And you can I can pair it with some long sleeve, so a bit fashion.
No, hey, I want to open this one.
Yeah, wait, but it's not finished yet. There's still more. Another one. Yeah, it's mostly mine because of the size and Asian size and Ragnar as well. Here. Oh, pink long
This
sleeve.
is yours?
Here. Yeah, pink one. It's mostly long sleeve.
Look.
Yeah, can you try? Can you show them? Yeah, it's mostly for winter long sleeve. Look for Ragnar. Nay, for mommy. And then another one. Yeah, because I don't have some clothes for winter. That's why if I buy in H&M, it's more expensive because like if you buy like this kind of dress there, you need to pay like more than €20. But in Shein, you just pay like less than €10. A lot of cheap.
Look,
cheap
there's
things.
so many
This
things.
is like a dress as well. Dress for winter.
Look,
Yeah.
so many things there. So many things.
More. Yeah, more.
I love things.
Another long sleeve. Another long sleeve
Hey, what is
with some belt. Yeah, it's with belt, so I can put belt here. It's gonna be nice style.
It's free belt.
Yeah, it's free belt.
Free belt.
Free belt. Next one. Oh, there's a lot of plastic. I don't know what to use with this plastic. Recycle or maybe throw away. Oh yeah, this one. This is for Ragnar. Here's for you, Ragnar. So this one,
No.
long sleeve
No.
for winter.
What is that?
That is the paper. This for Ragnar. Look, Ragnar. Show them. Come in the camera. Look, like a basic long sleeve for winter, so Ragnar will not get cold. So there's black, gray, and white.
Hello, Bora,
And it's
baby,
like
Bora,
Now I think we opened the first box, Ragnar.
Yeah, only
Mama has
this.
a lot of things there. I think it's small. What? So it's a lot, guys, for like €100, I think.
What this for me?
I think
For my friends.
for mommy again. Yeah, this is more like jogging pants, comfortable jogging pants, pink and black.
Look.
So yeah, for like inside the house, chill pants, sweat pants. And now I think the first, oh, there's still more before we open the other bag. Yeah. Wow, this one, another one. Wow, I even forgot what I bought. Ragnar, wait. Hey, son, what you doing? Lay. Here. Oh, no. Look, Ragnar, look. What is this? Oh, another dress. Here. I don't remember, but yeah, I think I bought this. Another dress for winter. Okay. Now, let's go to the second box, Ragnar. Help me open. Help me open, come. Ah. No, wait. My nails. You don't have nails, but I think you have long nails as well. We need to cut your nails.
No,
Okay.
it's hurting.
Oh, you don't like his nails to be cut. Ragnar don't like it. Oh, okay. So this one is more like, oh, slipper. This is slipper for indoor slipper. Here it's a
But this is
ribbon.
It's
Can I-
mine. It's my dish.
Yes, here. Oh, yeah, I think it's a bit small. It's 37, but it's a bit small. But I think it's fine.
Mine.
Yeah, it's a bit small, the size. What? I should put
It's
bigger,
mine.
but it's okay. It says 36, 37, and 37 or 36. But yeah, that's the problem with Shein because you need to have bigger size there because sometimes the size is very small. Yeah. So next one. Oh, that is for Ragnar. He found his socks. Here. This one.
My soap.
This is for winter. Thick socks. Yay. For Ragnar, his socks. And then mommy gloves. I think I have your gloves as well there, Ragnar.
Where's my glove?
Look, it's my gloves. This one I like. It's not waterproof though, but it's very nice for the winter. Here. Nice.
Hey, it's
Can you put it back for this one so it's not gonna lost the socks? I need to fold this one by one later.
And more.
And more. Oh, this is the gloves that I bought for Ragnar. Come guys, let's see. This is the waterproof. Oh, there's a lot of plastic. Okay, I hope this will fit. It's a bit,
And
let's
mommy,
see.
I can.
Can you try? Can you try, please? I hope it's a bit, looks small. It says like 4 to 5 or 3 to 5 years. And Ragnar is 3 years. Come Ragnar, put it. That's the problem, the size. Oh, but it's fine. Look, babe. It's good. Dino.
Me.
Yeah, no. It's good for Ragnar. For the snow. Oh, this one as well. This is for Ragnar as well.
Can I see?
So it's mostly for mommy and Ragnar.
No, it's me.
That is yours, Min. Oh no, yours. Do or whatever. This one. This is the one, I think. Is this the one? I'm not sure. Or is it for me? Yeah, I think it's for Ragnar. This is like for the snow, but looks like a bit long, but I think it's good. So this is like a leggings for the winter, so Ragnar won't get cold. So it's like under the pants.
Look.
And this one. So yeah, three pairs,
this
guys.
Is mine. This is mine.
I think this is it's also Ragnar. Magnus is laughing at us. A lot of things. Yeah. that's a good thing with Shein, you know, because you can buy a lot of things for a cheap price. Because I think with all the stuff that we have, if we go to H&M, for example, or Zara, it's not that much. Oh, more for Ragnar. What? It's double as well. Yeah, I think this for Ragnar or for Mommy. I don't know. What? It's a lot. Yeah. Yeah, for Ragnar. And then this one, what is this? I forgot what I bought, to be honest. Oh yeah, this is the socks that I bought for winter. It's not so.
Look! It's bigger.
Oh yeah, this is for Ragnar. This is the one for the winter. Look, Ragnar. Look, wait. You need to put your face here inside. Look like this. Look. Yay! Show them. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, that's for the snow. It's gonna be so warm. It's gonna be very nice, Ragnar. And this for me, like winter socks. This is like €1 per pair. I think so. Yeah. And then this one as well. Yeah.
This is mine. Yeah.
So wow, it's a lot. Oh, this for me. Let's see. Yeah, this is like a. I like this. So I like yours, Ragnar. Look, I have as well mine. Look. Hello, guys. So this one is for the winter. It's very nice because it's gonna cover my neck because it's so cold here in Sweden. And then.
No, this yours and this mine.
Yeah. And then if I feel very cold, then I can cover my mouth. Look this. Look. So like a Eskimo. Oh, so this is very nice. This is one of the best that I bought. Good. Nice.
Where's mine?
Look, babe. Come. Look. And Magnus has it as well.
I have Fiesta.
Look, I have this. But I need to find yours. Look, so this is the one I bought.
Nice.
So this, look.
Yeah.
And then if I can get so cold.
Wow, that's very good.
Look.
Yeah, and where's the one for Papa, Ragnar? We need to find for Papa because he got his as well here. Oh, there's a lot of socks here. I think, wait. There's a lot of things. Ragnar, what did you open? Is this the one for Papa? No, this is for you. Well, I get lost. I get lost with this unboxing. Oh, another. Oh, this is like a, this is like a leggings. Or no, not leggings, tights for the winter. But look, doesn't feel warm though. I don't know. Let's see. Because it looks like very thin, not thick. This one, I think this is the one for Magnus because I bought one for Magnus. This one that he liked. Let's see. Maybe this is the one. Then we show Magnus. Yeah, this is the one for Magnus. Come.
No.
No, Magnus, show. Come here. Show them. Put it. Yeah, also for winter. There.
I feel like a Robin Hood now. I am Robin Hood.
Yeah, you can also cover it your mouth or no? No, not so, but only. Oh yeah, not so bad. We can go to the bag, all of us now.
Yes. Give me all your pesetos.
Yeah. Nice. Now there's still more on there. Wait. 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 Isnella.
Nice, thank you.
You're welcome. Oh.
I'm gonna have it tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
I eat mine first.
Okay. Huh. I think this is the last one that we need to open. Then we have everything. Yay! What is this? Oh, for mine as well. For me. Oh no, for Ragnar. Oh yeah, this is for Ragnar. This is also very good for the winter. Long sleeve and it's like a bit like thermo something. So yeah, hopefully it's gonna be very good. I think that's all, Ragnar, right? I think we have everything. Raggy, can you move a bit?
It's for me.
No, this is yours.
No, it's not putting. I not can see.
No, we can try it later. And this one even is yours. I think so. Yeah, because it's not for me. But I hope it's a bit long though. But yeah, we will see. Okay, that's all guys. So as you can see here, there's a lot of things here. But yeah, I'm gonna fix it. So thank you for watching. Say bye, Ragnar.
Bye.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Say please follow us.
Please follow us.
And you cannot play with it. It's plastic. It's dangerous. Bye guys.
Bye,